When you look a person in the eye, you communicate confidence and belief in your point of view. One of the most powerful means of communicating confidence and conviction is sustained, focused eye contact. Sustained, focused eye contact makes you feel more confident and act more assertively. Number 1. Don't assume she likes you if she looks at you. Not every woman who looks at you is into you. Look at the environment. If you're at work, maybe she wants to ask you a question about your department. If you're at a wedding and she's gazing into your eyes, that's different. Signs she may be into you. If she looks away and then looks back for another peek. If she holds your gaze for a couple of seconds. And especially if she smiles while looking into your eyes. These are great signs, but you still need to talk to her to find out. Number 2. Don't stare at breasts. It needs to be said, when you're speaking to a woman, look her in the eyes. Women can see when you're talking to their breasts, and even if they like you, especially if they like you, they want to feel that you're focused on their words. There are ways that you can train yourself to stop looking elsewhere. Ask yourself her eye color. Are my coworker Amy's eyes green or hazel? This can also help you recall new names, and if you can actually remember a woman's eye color, you're ahead of most guys. Number 3. Blinking. Don't blink too much during eye contact. We tend to blink more when we are under stress, so practice looking into people's eyes, without blinking too much. When you're sending a serious message, less blinking equals more credibility. What's too much? Anything over about 30 times a minute, once per 2 seconds. Remember to blink. Not blinking looks unnatural. I know, I have this issue. I've been told I look like a robot because I don't blink enough. What's not enough? Under 10 times a minute, once per 6 seconds. Remember to blink and show normal facial expressions and gestures when you're talking. Otherwise, you'll just come off as staring, and it's rude to stare. Some ways you can practice proper eye contact. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Record yourself speaking or presenting. Watch the footage, count how many times you looked at the camera directly, and measure how long you looked on average. Ask close friends or family to observe you while doing a mock presentation. Get their comments regarding eye contact. Request for total honesty. That's it for today. I will be coming up with the next part of this video very soon. With that being said, thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.